Okay, everybody, welcome to another episode of the first episode of Affinity Photo. I had Dying Light the Beast on YouTube, but zero views, so I decided to cancel the whole shebang. I'm still gonna play it, but not recording it. It's just not worth the time. From now on Fridays, I'm gonna make the older tutorials that I made. And show you how I made them. I hope you understand what I mean. First we start with the shape. I need that one. I duplicate it. Oh, I said I duplicate it. Doesn't have to be perfect. I duplicate that again. Okay, now I want to merge these layers. I said merge. It merged, okay. No, not the right way. Merge selected, that's what I want. Okay, next, now we have an object here, and I want the city in there. I have to do some resizing because it's a big image. Okay, next we're gonna do this. Just drag it under, and you have you have a city on the beach, and I want to outer glow, black, radius, offset, intensity. Doesn't really work. Okay. Why doesn't it work? I want it white, that's for sure. Doesn't work. Okay. Let's do an outline then. I want a white one. And the radius. Why isn't it working? Ah, selected the wrong thing. Okay, and I want it white. Outline. Also white. Okay, and the tutorial is now finished. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. This was me from Me Creative.nl. I'll see you next Friday with another tutorial on Affinity Photo. It's gonna be an old one again. I want to refresh it so I, yeah, can master this program again. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, all that stuff. It's greatly appreciated. This was me from Me Create LNL, and till next time.